It is a pretty day in mid-May in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. The boat we're going to tour today is a 2004 33-foot Chaparral Signature. Just going to give you a quick look at the exterior first. You can see we've got a remote spotlight there. She does have a windlass. Gel coat's all in excellent condition. Enclosure, you'll see when I step in the cockpit, is very clear. That was new in the spring of 2018. And she has the full camper enclosure, not a slanting back aft curtain. Got the large extended swim platform, which makes it very easy to board. You can see we've got a center cockpit entry. You've got two transom storage lockers. Just a quick look. So off on the port side here, you can see we've got an L-shaped aft bench seat, and there is designated cooler storage below, and the cooler's even there. Cockpit table over here on the starboard side, and actually a nice large U-shaped seating area. Vinyls in this boat, well, this entire boat is absolutely in awesome condition. I'm gonna cheat here. So after you view this boat, if you have any questions, my name is Mike, 910-620-9903. Mother Nature's not cooperating with me much here, but that's alright. Again, you can see a very clear enclosure. And back on the port side here, behind that door, is a cockpit refrigerator. Up above, we've got a sink and a little storage area back there. Got a companion seat off here on the port side. Panning over, we've got a double wide helm seat with flip up thigh rises, which allows you to stand, lean, or sit when you're running the boat, whatever your preference is. This is a newer Garmin 741 XS touchscreen unit that was installed in 2015. He keeps a cover over the helm, so you can see this doesn't have the fading that we see in the burl wood on a lot of boats. Which is a rudder angle indicator, engine synchronizer gauge, digital depth finder, VHF radio. So she's got all the necessities. Talk about the engines for just a second. There's a big electric engine hatch. I'm not going to run it up, but we've got twin 5.7 liter Volvo V-drive engines. These are not stern drives. They're the desired V-drives, and she has less than 600 hours. Everything is tuned up, serviced, and ready to go. And you can see here we do have the walk-through windshield. Very easy access up to the bow area. Handling lines, fenders, and if you want to operate the windlass from the bow. Kick my shoes off because this is a no-shoes boat. And you can see we've got three wooden steps right here that lead down to the cabin area. Up forward, we have a large circular dinette which converts to sleeping. You can see off on the port side here, you have a crescent-shaped dinette over here. Starboard, you can see we got a big screen TV there, marine stereo system, DVD player, galley, cherry wood interior decor looks great. There's a microwave behind that right door up top, or I guess what would be the aft door. 2-burner electric stove. Good size under counter fridge, lots of storage. Obviously a little closer look at the circular dinette forward. Owner's got all of the information from Chaparral. Hopefully you can see, but even the carpet in this boat is exceptionally clean. Again, I'll look back at the wood steps, and I'll give you a look there. That is the head, private head with vacu flush. But the other door is actually access to a private midship stateroom, which you don't normally see in boats this size. See, it's got its own sink here, lots of storage, got a settee right there. That's a hanging locker. We'll do our best to keep the broker out of the picture. A lot of people use this area as the master stateroom. You can tell it's got a very large mattress, and again with the solid privacy door. This is a great layout for either two couples or families with kids. Back to the settee again, everything exceptionally clean. And back out into the salon. Hopefully I pointed out the wood galley floor. So we've got sink and vanity here. You've got storage behind the mirror upper. So underneath that seat is where the vacu flush head is located. And of course you've got a wand shower as well. I hope you get a look at this boat because it's exceptionally clean. I'm confident you'll be pleased with the condition of the boat when you see her. Again, she is a 2004 Chaparral 330 signature, located in Carolina Beach, North Carolina. If you have any questions, one last time, please give me a call. Thanks for your interest, and thank you for taking your time to watch this video.